Ok. Alors, je dois faire quelques réglages avant de lancer. Déjà, la sensi de ma... Ah, la sensi de ma souris, elle est bizarre. Elle est pas comme j'aime. Elle est trop lente, mais elle est trop légère aussi. Hmm. 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 J'aime pas. J'aime pas. Ok, non, 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 en plus, ok, on va être prêt. Laissez-moi juste. Deux secondes. Ah, vous avez encore mon tapant? Parce que je vais le refaire. Bon, on joue oui ou merde? Allez. Vous pouvez rien voir. Ouais, c'est con ça. Là, c'est mieux. Alors, je sais que les sous-titres sont ici. On va voir quand même pour bouger un peu la caméra. Voilà, bouger là, tu sais quoi? Voilà, et on va monter le chat ici. Ça va changer un peu, ça va vous faire du bien. Un peu de changement dans votre vie. Alors, évidemment, pas tous les changements sont positifs. Hein. J'imagine que le divorce de vos parents, c'était pas forcément très positif comme changement. Je sais pas pourquoi j'ai dit ça. J'ai en train d'essayer de cacher la moitié du chat. Ok, on y va. Je me tais pendant qu'on continue notre aventure. Ah, c'est assez silencieux là. Oh.
That's everybody. All clear. Mecha Man, it's not worth it.
Allez. Et je sais pas pourquoi vous êtes ça musclé, le mec il est assis. Non. Si tu veux mon avis, il aura plus d'entraînement restauratif que moi là.
Damage is done. All I want is a conversation. No need to do any more.
Du bien. T'as un peu de mal là. Ah, c'est vraiment une série, hein. Moi, j'ai pas touché mon clavier depuis 10 minutes là. Et 2 minutes. Ça fait quand même beaucoup. Ouais, mec, là, franchement, calme-toi, hein.
You need some help? You're not supposed to lift without a spot. Idiot. So weak. So weak.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Now I'm getting a safety lecture from a walking fireball.
It's a reality check.
Yo, la femme. Eh, attrapé, comment ça va? Ouais,
So
ça
you
va.
don't hurt yourself thinking you're
La
a
femme, la
hero.
femme.
Man, I am strong. It's crazy.
I'm not a normie, and you know it.
You're the king of the normies. I've seen that
Je vais mettre mon clavier en...
No more hero stuff without
Enfin,
supervision.
changer en
You can't get
WSD.
because we need you behind that desk to help real heroes.
Actually, speaking of injuries, remind me, who burned off your eyebrows again? I assume it happens all the time, given your, your fire. So.
I got into a fight with an actual hero. And I assure you, he's regretting his decision to tangle with me.
I imagine he's.
C'est pas bien de pointer les gens.
Decisions.
That's right. And you, it's time for you to accept that you don't got it anymore. And pretending you still do is bombing people the out.
Voilà.
Now, get your flat.
C'est un peu
off
mieux.
my bed.
J'aurais l'air un peu moins blanc, même si je suis très très blanc de base. Sinon, ouais. Sinon, ma blancheur va se refléter sur votre écran et ça va vous éblouir. C'est comme les phares d'une voiture. Ça arrive fréquemment, hein, c'est terrible. Ça, c'est tellement vrai, le code de l'ordinateur qui reste sur un post-it de merde. Moi, j'avais ça dans mon ancien job. Le gars, le premier jour, il était là en mode ouais, eh ben, tu vas essayer ce logiciel, ça va te permettre d'avoir tous tes mots de passe, etc. En vérité, le seul, pour tous mes mots de passe, ils étaient encore sur le même post-it que j'avais pris en photo sur mon téléphone.
Dang, that's some nasty.
Man, I love the smell of the refinery.
I hate the smell of gasoline.
I love the smell of gasoline. Ugh.
All right, everybody, respectfully, shut the up.
Yeah.
Their cereal.
Now that's some nasty
Let's do this.
Marrant, mais ça, je dois bosser. C'est bon, je peux jouer.
Middle school needs judges for our annual talent show. Do it for the kids.
Savoir repérer les talents et aimer les enfants. On en est où dans l'histoire?
The linear for the dispatch. Russians win of it.
Kasparanoasi, la Voginante, and therefore don't dispatch. Mega Man, the feed data teenager, versus Sonde. Parce que det är så du voler lidt energi dans le Mega Man. Dans le Mega Man. Parce que Mega Man convient Mega. Et c'est pour ça qu'il s'appelle Mega Man. Mega Man a pris le contrôle d'une ligne super-héros qui essaie de dans sa manière qui essaie de devenir le super-héros de l'agence Alien. Mega Man a réussi à créer son mode de cohésion dans l'équipe et à combattre un groupe de méchants vilains. De vilains. On a suffi une personne parce qu'on devait virer une personne. On a gagné l'autre. Et on a trinqué à tirage de la... Bref. Et alors, on a fait le ménage qui laisse de notre boss. Et qui travaille dans le seul problème, c'est qu'il est impressé d'être spot. Voilà. Est-ce que vous avez tout compris? Ah. Et là, je suis dans la confirmation. Je pense que
ok, bon, ce qu'il faut comprendre, on joue Mecha Man, on a pris le contrôle de la Z-Team. La dernière fois, on a réussi à mettre un peu de cohésion dans l'équipe. On a dû virer Coupé, qui était l'assassin, qui était l'ancienne copine de Courpif, le nain là. Sinon, on a bien fait notre job. Je sais pas trop quoi dire, il s'est pas passé énormément de choses la dernière fois, à part on a viré une des personnes, on a mis un peu le groupe ensemble, donc on soit un peu respecté et ah oui, Phénoménal du coup a rejoint l'équipe. Le seul problème c'est qu'il est dépressé as fuck, donc il est pas du tout utile. Ah oui, et Invisimeuf, il y a un truc entre elle et le personnage Robert qui est en train de se faire... Ouais... Bref. Alors, qui aime les gosses? Je viens de réfléchir. J'aurais pas dû gueuler ça. I love kids, Charlie. I love kids. Wow, pim. Pour ceux qui ont la ref.
Oh, hell yes.
Ok, bon bah vas-y hein.
You can count on me.
Ouais.
I guess I'll go.
La popstar et le golem ensemble. Alors,
Mr. Vanderstank has requested a rescue. Vango workers are trapped after a tunnel collapse at the new station. Get them out safely. And discreetly.
ok.
Do that.
Oh. Je suis pas sûr qu'on a... si peut-être. Attends, Phénoménal. Et lui... Ok, allez-y.
Okay, Van Gogh is officially on my list.
Let's go.
Yo, this Vanderstank guy is a clown.
He's
Whoa.
a business genius. Everything he does is brilliant.
Normally I would defend you, but all of his projects kind of suck.
Misez sur la rapidité parce qu'on a un max de rapidité.
You're obsessed with a
Humilité.
loser.
Isn't this like the third time one of his projects has fallen apart?
We're busier because of him.
He's a job creator.
Jesus, man.
Mec, il crée pas des jobs, il a failli tuer 3 personnes.
Watch me burn.
C'est quoi la logique derrière? Oui, bon, il a peut-être tué 3 personnes, mais il avait crevé. Imagine, c'est la justification derrière les camps de concentration pour Hitler. Non mais ok, Hitler a peut-être tué des juifs, il a peut-être tué 8 millions de personnes, mais il avait créé 45 000 jobs. Faut embaucher des gens pour remplacer les décédés. Bah voilà. Là on se plaint toujours, on peut pas rentrer sur le marché du travail. Bah c'est simple, si le mec d'avant il est mort sur son bureau, bah tu prends juste sa place. Et ça passe. Un plus de caca,
We have
plus
a
de carré.
crisis. The parents started fighting over the results, and then the kids joined in too.
Grade A parenting.
What? Vous leur avez dit quoi exactement pour qu'ils commencent à se battre?
SDN's tolerable and inclusive workplace make you a great sponsor for our Aliens Among Us exhibit.
This looks like a job for Phenomenon. Who is me?
T'es sûr que tu veux y aller? Ouais.
Sounds good.
Not
Vas-y.
exactly an alien per se, but I think this will work.
Oh si. C'est un alien, il a dit qu'il a pas de pénis. Quel genre de personne n'a pas de pénis? Franchement. Est-ce que tu vas envoyer une équipe au BHV? C'est quoi le BHV? Ouais.
you wankers.
Non, alors qui?
What time is it? Training time. It's training time if anyone's up for it.
Ok, vas-y. Ouais, on va envoyer quelqu'un maintenant, sinon ça va prendre trop de temps. Ouais, envoie la chauve-souris.
First talent show, I got second place.
Tu sais ce qui serait vachement drôle en vrai? C'est lui là qui est un homme chauve-souris, tu vois. Genre, c'est bien une chauve-souris machin, mais il est aussi chauve, donc genre il a une énorme.
So,
Il y a un énorme trou là.
I guess you're the
Il y a pas de
winner then?
Sure am. Inspired my first single too. Girl, your hair's on fire.
Sounds like a real bop.
Never say bop again.
Parlez-leur d'Urgot 52 décès. On fallait vraiment l'envoyer. Il a l'air tellement déprimé. Et ouais, bah du coup, je suis né à 52 décès. Vous voyez Toulouse, bah ça ressemble un peu à ça, sauf que tout est violet. Au lieu de rose. Alors, Après mon réussite, mon exécution en même temps de trajet, les flambeaux sont réduits, si le flambeau échoue après 2 réussites, il tombe à terre. Pour réussir 2 fois, fait passer un combat au niveau maximum et supprime le temps de repos. Après un échec, les stades de flambeau retombent à 1. Ouais, supernova. Vas-y, let's go. Alors.
I, Deirdre Z, yes, that Deirdre Z, need help dealing with a stalker. Say less.
Faut faire preuve d'un minimum d'intelligence, j'imagine. Ouais.
New me. It rocks.
Ooh, this one's gonna be good.
Allez, vas-y, bien évidemment. Ouh la vache. Putain, fallait du dialogue, hein.
Today, Torrance. Tomorrow, also Torrance, probably. Like, statistically speaking.
Ouais. Soit genre vraiment intelligent, genre méga nerd avec les lunettes, non. Oula. Comment stopper un harceleur? Supprime tous les
I
fichiers.
doubt Deidre is the only victim of his. Let's delete all the files on his laptop.
Et c'est le même avec de la mouche.
And the backups too.
Oula, il y a un temps limite. Ouh. Mot de passe. Oh. Droite, gauche, à l'envers. Gauche, droite. Gauche, droite. Oh bordel.
He's using protection.
Voilà, ok, je vois pas trop en quoi c'est dur, mais... Ok, super, je tords le mot de passe. Droite, gauche. Droite, gauche. Droite, gauche. Oh, c'était l'inverse. C'est droite, gauche. Attends. Je suis complètement con. Bordel. On reste calme. Donc c'est à l'envers. Donc c'est droite, gauche. Gauche, droite. Droite, gauche. Oh.
And files deleted.
Putain, qui aurait cru que hacker c'était aussi stimulant? Moi je pensais que c'était juste regarder les lignes de code, mais en fait c'est super.
Anti-bullying seminar, and it would mean a lot if a hero could come talk to the students and their parents.
Quoi, vraiment là? Oh. Bah envoyer Flambeau, c'est clairement lui qui est le meilleur pour parler d'anti-harcèlement.
The set needs a background actor for an upcoming scene. The last one.
Ferme ta gueule. Tout donner pour cette performance, fait un malheur, on a besoin d'un figurant sur le plateau dans notre radiopathie. Ah tiens. Pourquoi tout est relationnel aujourd'hui? Merde, j'en sais rien.
Rolling out.
Oh, putain, j'ai aucune idée. Et y'a personne qui peut parler, super. Putain. Bon, man.
I think
Ah,
I'm liking
merde,
this
vas-y.
benevolent devil vibe.
Merde, attends. Je suis con, c'est vrai que j'ai ça.
Feeling fresh.
Et tu vas avec lui.
Perfect as always. Quick heads up,
Okay.
Sona is in a mood this morning.
Why? He missed a rabies shot or something?
Power was out at my place. Couldn't even check up on my investments.
Oh no, the numbers that go up and down every day. You'll be fine.
I pray you never know what it's like to lose something.
J'ai envoyé un démon, ça va faire un malheur. Voilà, on est bien d'accord.
Surprise there.
Oui, bien sûr, c'est une manière tout à fait normale de boire. Allez, continue ma journée là, au travail. Let's go. Voilà.
On fuego.
Ferme ta gueule. Flobo, je dis pas assez, mais ferme ta gueule.
Sewage in a couple neighborhoods. Which should we hit first?
Quoi,
The
ouais?
smell is unbearable. This should have been dealt with yesterday before it even got this bad. Is there someone else I can speak to? Perhaps your manager?
I take the kids to the beach, and what do I have to deal with, huh? There's poop all
Voilà.
over the beach. The sewage is spilling out into
Réparer,
the water.
résister à la pression, explorer. Ça m'a l'air d'être compliqué votre bordel.
It's chill.
Good choice.
Mm-hmm. Happy to help.
Non. Merde, c'est aussi normal cette connerie.
Hey, is that my homie right there?
Gaddis.
Oh, what's it going to be this time?
Ok. Ok,
You
allez-y
know,
vous
it
deux.
feels like Phenomenon is probably the most bullyable on Z-Team now.
I am often bullied for my exquisite hair and beautiful masculine frame.
That doesn't sound like bullying.
On my home planet, my form is reviled. Every compliment is a reminder that I am disgusting.
No, come on. You look great.
Roberts is bullying me. Please ask him to stop.
HR, non. Non, tout va bien. Tout va bien. Il exagère, c'est tout.
These folks have had a hard enough time as it is. Hope this makes it a little easier.
Ouais. Plus de merde, pour personne. Synergie max atteinte. Ah, j'adore cette image. Moi aussi, je veux un sidekick golem géant sur lequel je peux monter et je peux faire ouais, on va les gagner, on va les déglinguer. Non, pas vous. Bon. Mais du coup, c'est que moi. Ouais, plus de charisme. On n'a plus assez de gens qui font du charisme. Puis on a Phenomenon pour... Ah, c'est l'heure de la pause.
I am in need of a very specific type of hero for my upcoming project.
Mystère et intelligence. À la force tranquille. J'ai pas grand monde, hein. Ouais, allez. Allez, de toute façon, tout ce qui est PR, communication, on envoie la pop star là.
Mysterious fire has broken out at the refinery. We got it under control, but we can't investigate the cause with all these dangerous
Attendre un certain point aura un effet comme celui-là qui garantit un échec.
refinery, okay? They smell like.
Someone's pushing on my boy's explosion territory.
Ah, donc on change, donc faut pas envoyer quelqu'un avec trop de force. Hein.
Yeah, let me finish this talk.
J'ai que des gens avec de la J'ai que de la force. Oh mon dieu. Oh merde. Merde.
Yeah, be glad to.
Ouais, vous deux.
Just so you know, I'm not going for you. I'm going because I have to.
Ouais.
Yo, man, word in the hallways is you went on a date. That true?
You jealous or something? Look, if you wanted to grab dinner, all you had to do is ask.
Yeah.
Ouais, ça passe.
You're not my type.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Ouh, flambée bisexuelle. We love our bisexual homies. Ouais. Ouais, on continue à stacker. Oh! Oh!
Something about this feels off. I think we missed something.
Oh, blonde blazer.
Oh merde! Il est déprimé à nouveau, l'autre connard! Oh, c'est bon! Un raté, c'est bon, il y a quoi? 200 personnes qui sont mortes! Bon! Ça va! Ça se refait 200 personnes! Ah, ça va de plus en plus désastreux ce soir.
Do you know anybody like that? Super digestion?
The Glutonator, but I don't know. I think I weighed like 1,000 pounds.
Ça crée de l'emploi. On retourne sur les points positifs.
Merde, you think I'm like 300 pounds. I am not. I go to the gym and I work hard. Secondly, what are you talking about?
There's a pool going around on which superhero you used to be. Person who guesses right wins $936.
That's a real specific number.
And that specific number could be ours. Just one hint. I mean, we're friends, right? Make your friends some money.
Fine, okay. I was blue.
What does that mean?
We sad?
Yes, but that was just a coincidence.
Oh, come on, don't be like that.
Sorry, you're just gonna have to earn your $936 in some other way. What way could that be? I'll let you know if I work it out. Get it? I'm explaining the joke.
Whoa!
What
Decent reflexes.
Hey, Beef, no!
Which heroes do we know that talk too much and have quick reflexes?
Clean up.
Hey, losing all that weight don't make you better than us.
Yeah. Chill out, Dad.
I never had a dad.
I know.
That's supposed to mean.
Oh!
Yeah.
Huh.
Heard the team scuffling with the Red Ring.
They run half the crime in the county. We are bound to bother them at some point.
Watch yourself. You poke the hive, you're gonna have to the queen.
That's not how bees work.
You know what I mean?
I don't, actually. No one's trying to Shroud. But if we kill the queen, we rot the hive.
You would do that? Kill Shroud? Because you might get the chance. And you don't want to go in there having to think about it. You gotta know.
Shroud killed him, Chase. There's only one thing I can do.
You know that's not true. I'm not sure your dad would want it that way.
You're not sure. Should we ask him?
Point taken. Mecha Man's coming back to life one patch at a time.
One patch at a time.
I mean, Royd's doing most of the work though, right?
So much. He's probably gonna redo all this.
Ah, c'est qui le mec avec le masque là à côté? C'est quoi son super pouvoir? Je suis Scotchman! C'est scotché partout! Ah, vous êtes encore blessé? Vous pouviez pas vous blesser? Arrêtez de vous blesser pendant un coup.
Great. It's gonna be a long shift.
Attends, je vais soigner
Holy
toi.
I feel excellent.
Monsieur Miaou est perdu dans la nature. Aidez-moi à retrouver mon bébé. Monsieur Miaou n'aime pas trop les gens. De toute façon, faut que je vous envoie quelqu'un est doué en vitesse.
Boy, you gonna match my freak?
Literally every day. Oh yeah.
Allez-y,
Tell
vous
them
deux.
I'm a shooting star.
Allez, allez. Allez, trouvez un chat là. Allez, trouvez un chat, c'est... What the...
Did we just lose power?
Sure did. Citywide. Hang tight, we're booting up the backup generator.
Qu'est-ce que...
There
What?
we go. Hey, Robert. Just brace yourself.
Allô? Allô?
Oh, y'all can't see? I'm a human nightlight. I don't got those problems.
Yeah, it's just a little dark. What's the big deal? You
never closed your eyes before? Yeah, same.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I can see in the dark, so this is pretty standard for me.
Alright, you guys.
The whole city's out. Guys, this is an all hands on deck situation. Okay, I'm gonna get the grid back up and running. Be ready because it's gonna be insane the minute the lights turn back on.
Some real action? Thank.
Ok. Oh putain, va falloir faire plein de pirating. De pirating, là. Ça ne marche point. Ouais, attends. Ok. Putain, c'est ça qu'ils font les électriciens, c'est super cool. T'imagines vraiment là? Tu t'imagines genre tu sais, t'as une panne, t'essaies de regarder pour voir ce que fait l'électricien et tu regardes au-dessus de son épaule, le mec il est en train de jouer comme ça là. Ah ok d'accord, donc je récupère l'électricité. Ok bon il faut que j'aille chercher l'électricité à d'autres endroits, donc je vais là. Voilà, donc on prend l'électricité là, et on va aller la mettre là, et après on va récupérer l'électricité ici, on va prendre là, et on va aller en bas, et on va la mettre là, et vous ennuyez là? Vous ennuyez là le chat? Bien? Pas le bon.
We've got several lootings in progress, and our guys are getting overwhelmed.
Looting? That's so basic. Just out here wearing ski masks and robbing banks. Where's the originality?
Ah, shut up. It's like the go-to blackout activity.
And besides burning all those candles your aunties gave you.
You are about to feel so much better.
Ok.
And so am I.
Ah, on fait pas les trois
This is why
encore?
my stock portfolio got up. Can I at least eat the guys responsible?
Let's get through this first, then we'll talk.
Eh, il a pas dit non, hein! Il a pas dit non!
My daughter was at the beach with her friends, and I haven't heard from her. I'm really worried.
Ok.
Alright, I'm on it.
Allez, bon
Don't
3.
worry, team. I can see in both regular and advanced darkness.
Ok. Easy. Easy! Easy, moi je dis. En plus, il passe des niveaux. Ah putain, j'ai plein de niveaux là. Ouh. Alors, second stratégique. Voilà. Plate-toi. On veut pas plus de combat. Ce qu'on a besoin, ce serait peut-être plus de vigueur. Ouais, la vigueur serait pas con. Du charisme. Non, plus de vigueur. Attraper les jeunes à vélo, les convaincre et restituer.
Get my good side.
Ok.
Back out. Baby, I don't know her.
Merde.
Dude, we're sandwiched in here. I can't feel my foot.
Évacuer les civils. Complètement bloquer une voie principale. Ok. Pousser les voitures en dehors de la route.
Good to go. Guess what?
Ouais.
Hey, it's like dark and shit out here.
Ok. Vas-y, mon grand. On commence les recherches. Dans l'eau. Ouais, le mec au feu. La jeter. À la plage. Son poste de sauvetage. Mais ils sont des enculés et refusent de rentrer chez eux. Ah mais ils sont drogués, d'accord. Reste cool bro, reste cool. Ok.
I could be wrong, but I fear that teenagers were mocking me.
Well, you're not exactly cool, man.
Impossible. My body temperature is always properly regulated.
You know what? You're so right.
Everybody should step back.
Ok, rétablir le courant. Ouais. Allons-y. Oh là 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 là. Enfin quand même, je sais pas, genre, pourquoi c'est mon boulot de rétablir l'électricité je suis un fonctionnaire. Je suis un fonctionnaire, je suis pas Superman. Ok, mot de passe, évidemment.
Just a little longer.
Haut, gauche, droite. 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 Voilà. Alors, stopper les vandales.
Facing the Torrance Library mural. Hurry and catch them before there are
Oh, il dessine des pénis, je m'en bats les couilles.
Soccer fans are not a fan of this blackout. It's getting scary.
Calmer, évacuer. Ok. Empêcher les vandales, arrêter les ados et les traduire en justice. Bon bah, Phénoménaman, vas-y.
I know a secret. Did you care to keep it?
Ok. Ouais, faut plus de dialogue, mais on va pas avoir assez. On va juste prier.
What's a good line to text a guy in a blackout?
I'm looting the Ralphs. You want anything?
Oh, you always did look hotter in the dock.
Oh la vache. Ah non, c'est pas passé.
You're a genius.
Ah, désolé.
Missed it.
We've got a situation at Bend Labs. They told me to call SDN. I'm just an intern.
Merde, tout part en couille. Oula, oula, oula.
Okay, I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous. It's okay.
Ok. Merde, bon. Ça part un peu dans la merde. Ok, faisons ça. Merde, on a beaucoup de...
Hi, it's me again. You're not gonna believe this, but now there's some scary dudes with scary weapons. I'm quitting after this, man. I can't do this.
Ok, super. Non, non, c'était vraiment pas le moment. Je vais devoir recommencer tout.
I'm heading downtown. See who can use some help. Feel free to send someone.
Là, je peux vraiment pas, par contre.
That's doable.
Notre équipe va échouer. Ok.
Nice choice.
Bon, ok.
Won't let you down, baby.
Fine. Never mind.
I'm the guy.
Are we heading to the Pova after work?
Can't. Niece has a dance recital.
Damn.
Ok.
Cool. Can
Ça
I go
c'est
home now?
fait. Hop. Ok, pas de super-héros là. Ok, bon, on va pirater ça. Pas comme si c'était déjà super la merde. Oh là. Qu'est-ce que... Wow. Ok. Très bien. Ok. Donc l'électricité tue les virus.
Nearly there.
Ok. C'est pas juste des boules d'information d'électricité à la base quand même? Enfin je sais pas, je pose juste la question, hein, je suis pas informaticien. Écoute, moi j'ai même pas monté, j'ai même pas monté mon propre PC, donc bon. Je pose juste la question. Allez, 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 montre-moi tous les trucs là.
Lost contact with the tower, and it's pitch black out here. I cannot land this thing. Help?
No dead scientists, no spilled serum. Got it?
Ce que disent les anti-vax aussi, non ouais. C'était pas exactement ce que... Rocky héros volant. Oh la vache.
You could catch the plane on the ground. Sounds dangerous, but I think you guys can handle it.
Ça va être compliqué, hein. Ça va être très compliqué. Je vais être honnête. Ok, ouais. On est foutu.
Don't sweat it.
Je vais me faire tellement taper sur les doigts. Ouais, vas-y. Tu vas être rapide. On a des héros qui volent. Attends, si.
I know this sounds crazy, but can you guys catch this thing in the air?
Là.
Will comply.
Ok, vous deux essayez.
Humans are fascinating. They cannot fly, and yet they attempt to anyway.
Flying slaps. Can you blame them for trying?
But their feeble bodies were meant for gentler activities, such as walking and lying down.
Yeah, exactly. Where's the passion? The danger?
I suppose their futile efforts to become more than they are is admirable.
Enfin, une mission que je réussis. C'était terrible. Là, t'es pas dans ouais. Super héros. Allez, on y va.
Ready, set, fire.
Ok.
My mother lives in the Parkwood senior community, and she hasn't answered her phone since.
Frapper à la porte, se préparer à une possible intervention médicale. Bla 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 bla. Allez. Vous y allez.
Oh that gym went out of business. They had the best towels.
I know, I stole a few. Tragic.
Et à la finale, dans ça, on a besoin d'un coup de main. Ouais, tu m'étonnes, elle a encore explosé. Ok.
I'll be in my trailer.
Merde. Imagine tu la refais exploser. Bah elle a déjà explosé une fois, elle va pas exploser deux fois. Mais pourquoi tout le monde a trop de force? Ah mais attends. Qui a trop de force? Non parce que j'ai pas bien compris la mécanique donc. Attends. Si elle est au-dessus. Suis-moi sur ça. Suis-moi. Ouais, suis-moi sur ça. Si c'est au-dessus, ça va pas déclencher le truc. Normalement, c'est comme ça que ça marche. Donc faut pas que ce soit au milieu, faut juste faut pas que ce soit au milieu, faut pas. Bref, ça va marcher. Cette fois-ci, elle va pas exploser parce que cette fois-ci, j'ai plus d'un neurone.
Hello. My baby brother ate my mommy and daddy.
Alors ça, je vais pas pouvoir aider. Libérer les parents de la dimension poche, apaiser la crise du bébé. Quoi?
Let's go.
Of course.
Ouais, il va falloir quelqu'un un peu sociable quand même pour arrêter la crise du bébé là. Ok, il y en a un deuxième évidemment.
Red Ring's stealing shipments right off the train. We're not equipped to stop them.
Red Ring? Come up for me, yeah?
Ok. Putain, et j'ai pas assez là pour parler pour tout le monde.
I know I was in my bag on that one.
Time to freak some f***ers out.
Alors attends. Allez merde. Allez vous deux. J'ai plus personne. Non, sérieux?
Oh, so close.
Bon, on l'a fait exploser 2 fois finalement. Non, pourquoi t'es parti? T'es déprimé? Oh putain. Putain. Non, j'ai plus rien.
Damn, I think this shift gave me carpal tunnel.
Huh. Would have guessed years of cranking it would get you there first.
Probably a combo type deal.
Il va falloir que je recommence aujourd'hui là parce que c'était terrible. Oh mon dieu.
Trying to impress me. It's working.
Bah les couilles, on a quand même gagné. Remets sur pied un héros, ok. Qui va recevoir une amélioration de charisme? Toi.
Is that for drink? I only heard about kryptonite. Somebody got banned. Nice. Let's go to Sardine. Or
Sardine, c'est un.
Good week, everybody. See you all on Monday.
Non?
The Sardines of Villain Bar, not sure I'd fit in.
Just go dress like that. Everyone will just think you're a pervert.
Yeah, all right.
Oh non, les. Oh! Il y a quelqu'un dans la traduction, il utilisait les secondes! Mais non, on l'utilise que pour rire! Oh! Ah, il est banni! Ah non, il est conduisait le muscle! Le mec, il était banni, le golem!
Why are you out here?
Too damn big.
Well, you want a drink?
Sure.
You want two?
Sure. Hey, creep.
Creep?
I don't know you, and I don't like not knowing people.
Well, you won't like knowing him. He's the biggest perv west of the LA River. And he's with us.
She's joking. I'm
not my business. But if you do go in the bathroom, you make it my business.
That's I don't
Ah, il m'a un peu chauffé le front! Ah, c'est désagréable! J'ai un endroit de mon corps qui est plus chaud que l'autre! Et genre très précis! Ah ouais, c'est tout à fait... c'est tout à fait authentique, hein. Très très naturel, hein. Voilà. Alors, c'est vrai que l'odeur de pisse, ça peut un peu... vous déranger, mais en vrai... Quand tu rentres dedans, ça a quand même une atmosphère unique.
Buy me a drink.
Is this for all the strings you had to pull to get me in here?
You got me Sour Patch Kids on our first date. I figured whiskey makes sense for the second. Third date, you can buy me dinner. Nothing too filling though, just in case.
Yeah, that was fun. I hadn't been to the movies in a while. I had a good time.
You had a good time eating popcorn too loud while I sat silently next to you?
The silence was the best part.
You might like me loud sometime.
Was that about sex?
Catch on quick. I'll grab us a table.
2 fancy whiskeys, please.
Make it 3.
4.
Make it 5. 5 fancy whiskeys? No. 9 whiskeys.
Good lad. We should have invited him earlier. We thought he was a knock. Never said that. Said he reminded me of my ex and he's got buzzkill energy.
Earlier? How long have you been going out like this?
Since day one.
Don't act surprised. You were the bad guy until... Wait, when did we decide he wasn't the bad guy?
Tuesday.
Vas-y.
Cheers. Excuse me.
Je suis méchant.
Given me time to learn about myself. Unfortunately, what I've learned is that I hate me.
Dude, be honest. Am I going to make a fool of myself if I sing Whitney Houston?
Are you Whitney Houston?
No.
Then yeah, you will.
Is that right?
Drink for you.
Wait, it's kind of hard for me, but look, I know it was probably a by the books, bottom line kind of decision, but thanks.
You can't have that outside. Fine.
D'accord, ouais, j'en ai monté deux. Ouais. Absolument rien de tendancieux.
Everyone thinks I'm a narc.
They can still smell the hero on you. You're the enemy.
I bought them drinks. What else do they want?
You can buy them drinks. You can make sure they don't get fired. You can line them up and them one by one, but they're still gonna think you might be the hero that up their life.
People don't think about much when I... But I hear
Ah, je veux dire, mec, vole pas.
I'd argue they their own lives.
Si tu veux que je te dise, te fais pas avoir. C'est pas ma faute si t'es un mauvais criminel.
What are the odds that you busted any of them anyway?
En parlant de ça. Ouais, le flashback du début de l'épisode là. Personne ne veut voir.
Cool down, and I won't have to hurt you.
On détend où ça va chauffer. Ouais. Ouais, très bonne répartie. Ok. Oh, le fait qu'ils nous ont jamais révélé qu'il y avait 2 fois en moi, ça c'est brillant. Oh putain.
I thought he lost to working in a deli or something.
There was this incident in Crypto where he was f***ing with me and I kinda...
You stole his eyebrows?
They burnt off, which somehow makes less sense than what you just said. So, you can see why I'm worried about getting incinerated.
Oh là là, mec, tu vas te faire brûler les couilles.
Sooner we get a fresh start.
You heard me when I said incinerate.
Je suis pas sûr qu'il va passer à autre chose. Hein.
A hero to our supervillain bar.
Why is everyone? Do I look like a? Don't answer that. Is he big? He's got big guy voice.
Some parts of him are big.
Alright, from now
Mec, c'est
on,
de booze.
Chilies. Are you lost or something? Or are you trying to get up? A lot of bars around here, fool. Why'd you pick this one? You got a death wish, homie?
Hey, bud, let me buy you.
No one's talking to you, fucking. What the?
I see they finally gave you some arms that can reach your.
There's some people that want to talk to you, Invisible.
Ah, super. Ah, cool. Bah ouais, évidemment, on est allé dans le seul bar où il y avait tous les méchants. Pas comme s'ils avaient fait une énorme attaque terroriste aujourd'hui.
Here, try this.
Thanks.
I am happy to provide these inauthentic Mexican calories for the team to recharge after battle.
Ok. Oh.
I ordered 3 triple crunch tacos.
Let's go. Mais arrête de faire la musique, toi. Est-ce qu'il y a eu un gros carré parce qu'il y avait des insultes sur le petit. C'est quand même un peu abusé cette censure. Aïe, ow. Non, j'aime pas. Oh, je suis temporairement. Le mec, je sais pas où il précise. Oh, je suis temporairement empoisonné.
Just eat that. It's the same anyway. Literally everything at this place is just a remix of the same 5 ingredients. Hot sauce? You drunk or concussed?
I'd go with both. Or do some friendly fire.
Encore. Bon, c'est parti. Ok. Eh, on y va pas là pour... Merde, il va pas le moment. À part une main. Ow. Sorry, boy. Sale pute.
You wash your hands after touching all them filthy.
Thought he seemed salty.
Oh!
Ooh, there she is. Thanks, babes. Sauce it up for me and everything. Think you're looking for these.
Faut arrêter là! Ok! Mais il a un truc pour enlever des doigts lui, hein! Il a un train sifflé de la coke, putain! Sonore, putain de merde! Alors lui il est super heureux. Bah voilà. La coque sur lui. Ah, allez, toujours dans les boules. Ouh. Tu sais, parfois ça t'as tout le jour. En mode.
Weird thing is how easy it was.
En mode.
This churro isn't as soft as his noodle arms.
Maybe give us a heads up.
Et sur point là.
Start a fight.
Oh.
Your heroes here.
C'est quoi cette mini interlude? Bah on est dans un bar de merde et on a tabassé les gens. C'est le début de chaque histoire de Donjons et Dragons d'ailleurs.
Not many finished fights against the Red Ring.
Yeah, how do you have beef with them, Mr. Dispatcher?
Yeah, we know this Robert guy is a front. Who are you? Really?
Bon, de toute façon, ils allaient l'apprendre d'une manière ou d'une autre, donc...
You're right. It's a front. This guy, Robert, is a mask. He's not real. He's the guy who sits behind his desk, biding his time, dreaming of the day he gets back in the fight. I haven't told you who I was because I'm kind of starting to like you all, and I'm not sure you're gonna like the real me. But the difference between this team getting by and this team being great is trust. So you should get to know the real me. I'm Mecha Man.
No fucking way. Can't be.
Could be. That's like a real superhero.
It is you. You little shit.
Merde.
Absolute cinema.
Le golem. Le méga pro.
It's just a bit of water, dude. Come on.
Wow.
You. All of you.
What a loser.
Thanks. You saved my life.
Yup. Thanks for the drink.
So,
Je t'offre un verre.
I expect
Tu me sauves que de la vie pour le reste des jours.
by now, and I didn't plan any of this next part. Anybody else got something to say?
My name's Courtney.
Nice to meet you, Courtney.
Ouais, je préférais un visa pour.
Katan-Ur was the name given to me on my planet. When I first arrived on Earth, the ladies at the Nordstrom rack I worked at called me Dumpy due to my large posterior. You may call me either.
My name's Victor, because I'm a winner.
I'm Alice.
Bruno.
Bruno?
Your last name's Gibb?
My name's Colin.
So, what now? Orgy time?
Right, make a fuego sauce
Yeah!
and asphalt. Like a great combo.
Good point. Anybody had another packet of that stuff?
Let's go. Je sais pas pourquoi elle l'aime bien ce type. J'aime bien Golem. Enfin, Bruno. Hey, premier épisode, très très cool. Deuxième épisode, on le fait tout de suite. J'ai hâte de voir combien de gens ont dit qu'ils étaient Mechaman. Je pense pas beaucoup. Franchement, la majorité ont pas dit. Hein. On va voir.
Sounds like hip hop, but it's not, because then the white guitar come in. The
Ah
white
si, la
guitar.
majorité ont dit.
It's like Run DMC. You know, they came through a wall, but this is a different song. I hate the world today. You're so good to me. I know what I can't change. I can't change. I try to tell you, but you look at me like maybe I'm an angel underneath.
Musique sans libre de droit parce que voilà, stream Twitch. Et du coup, il y a ce mec qui chante.
The lady in the song, not me. You must have been relieved to see the softer side. So like sing for me. I can understand how you could be so confused.
Ouais, c'est le concours de talent.
I don't envy you. I'm a little bit of everything, all rolled into one. I'm a big. My name's Robert, such a big. His name is Robert. I'm a big. Yeah, I'm a big. I'm such a fucking big. I have no
Prochain épisode. Maintenant. Alors. Bon, c'est vrai que c'est quand même limité en choix ce jeu. En fait, c'est plus vraiment série que jeu vidéo au final, mais c'est peut-être le plus gros. Même le fast dispatch machin et tout, franchement, c'est limité dans l'action.
Hey everybody, I appreciate you coming to see this. Your support means a lot.
More than a lot. It means 936 American dollars. Cash, lad.
We're only here because these broke want proof before they pay.
That actually makes way more sense.
Can't believe you actually hung out with these
You jealous, old man?
Of what? Let me guess. You get into a bar fight? I'm right, right? That's what criminals do at bars. They ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you could at least hurry this
If you're gonna make me stand next to Benjamin, what? You could at least
What we missed was 3 a.m. tacos leading to 4 a.m. heartburn, followed by 5 a.m. diarrhea. And despite all of that, it was lovely.
Okay, protocol test 19, ready to commence. We good when you good, Mecha Man.
Engaging protopols. Now.
All readings super stable.
Here we go. Time to make your grand re-entrance.
All right, ready for launch.
Roger that.
Let's go.
See there? Is that confirmation enough for you cheap ass? Pay me my money.
Hell.
Told y'all, it's so obvious he don't have superpowers.
It's a f***ing waste of time. If he was gonna lie about being a hero, why would he pick Mecha Man?
Reminder the mic is still open.
Let's go.
Not bad, right?
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
I thought the same too, but I think the purple is a nice touch.
Ooh.
Shut it down!
Ah, super. Pourquoi ça marche toujours pas?
Help it, Roy!
Get him out!
It's locked down.
Oh, come on in.
Ah bah super, on est de retour à l'hôpital. Yeah.
Welcome back.
How long was I up?
About 14, 15 hours, I think.
You okay, Royd? Why do you look worse than me?
It's over, brother. I cannot recreate the astral pulse. Too much power, too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man Mecha. I'm not good enough, bro. Fail you, I fail everybody. Almost bring down the whole team. Almost get you, almost get everybody blowed up.
All this is just a minor setback. I'm not worried.
But I am.
Royd, you did your best. I can't ask for anything else. Thank you.
Oh.
I heard that big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's doing that next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting, yeah. Everyone else okay? And Dizzy Gal?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when people get hurt.
What's your deal with her? You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra with Vizzy.
She's a liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you. Don't think I don't see it. It's all over your stupid face. You like her. So I got a hater for both of us.
I guess I'm coming around on her.
You coming where?
I'm coming.
Il est jaloux.
Jesus Christ.
Ouais, ouais, il est jaloux, t'as raison.
Okay. Our relationship started out rocky, but it's gotten better.
Il est jaloux. Ça parce qu'il chie dans les couches.
Just be careful, kid. Some people they're black holes. You reach out to help them and they just.
Ah, tu t'y
suck
connais
you in
en
and
trou
do
noir, toi,
whatever
Blackenstein, hein?
Black holes do, I don't know. They you up.
Your new look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
No, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
Stick to the plan. If they're red ring or enhanced, proceed with caution. Oh, one sec. What are you doing up?
Turns out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could say the same. How's your ship going?
Good? Yeah, challenging. Made worse by all the enhanced villains we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you.
Bien. C'est bien. Faut se faire voir bien par la bosse.
I'm sorry about the calls. Give us some time. Royd's a little down, but I'm sure we can come up with alternate power sources.
Ouais.
Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah, same. Wait, what do you...
Qu'est-ce qui se passe ce soir?
So, I'm no dispatch dude, but I don't know if sending him a level at a sub at Sunday school was the move.
Éléments surveiller, divertir. Regarder à l'œil, c'est un fauteur de troubles. J'en sais moi. Ah, il est pas de retour l'autre du coup, ouais. Yes. Bon bah du coup on fait.
Phenomenal.
Ok.
I need someone to wait in line for this really cool game that I'm old enough to play, and my parents said it was okay to call SDN.
Patiemment dans la longue file pour la sortie du jeu, se fondre dans la file pour ne pas rassembler un vendeur. Il y a aucun des trois qui peut se faire passer tranquille. Hein. Allez, toi.
Holy man, you're okay? Yeah, I was so scared, dude.
Guess Mecha Man's a bit sturdier than we thought.
Damn, boy, you ate
C'est un putain de trick.
Got your present.
Ok.
I did.
Le
Thank
tigre
you.
géant, pas de
That was very
soucis.
nice.
I am impressed with your fragile body's ability to sustain such a wide array of injuries. Welcome back.
Glad you're back, Robbie. Things were almost too boring around here.
Ouais, équipe élite nettoyée. Nettoyer à fond. Et rapidement. Ah ouais, donc c'est deux éléments que je peux pas... que j'ai pas... Ouais, ça passe.
Don't be intimidated. It's just business. Half man, half bat, all freak.
Robert, some keeps hacking into my notes app. He's with all my stand-up comedy material. Also, I think they have access to our secure servers.
Ah oui, c'est peut-être plus grave, oui. Le post-it qui a...
Don't you mess with me.
Oh non, allez, faut virer tout l'historique. Ok. Pas crever. Il allait crever. Ouais, il y a une limite de temps quand même. Alors, 2 sur 2, ok. Merde, je peux pas me souvenir des deux évidemment. Oh, oh bas. Oh 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 oh bas. Gauche droite gauche. Oh oh bas gauche droite gauche. Oh oh bas gauche droite gauche. Oh oh bas gauche droite gauche. Gauche droite au bas.
Oh yes.
Hello?
Okay.
Yes, it's that time of month again. Send your finest over to clean my abode.
Okay,
Free knuckle kisses.
Did Blazer hold down the fort okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Rabbit, you're actually cool.
He's not. He's just been gone all day, so it seems like he is.
New me? Rocks.
Ouais. On va envoyer le.
Out sick.
Sick of your maybe. But yeah, I haven't heard anything from him since last night.
Funny. I thought he was gonna catch me on the way in. Me up in the parking lot.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Putain, il est bien passé. Ok. Nice.
No one believes me, but there's definitely a ghost in my house. Anybody over there good at exorcisms or whatever?
Ouais, allez-y ensemble. Ouais, en fait, j'ai pas du tout les bons skills.
Re-election's coming up and we're hosting a little roast of the mayor. An SDN hero would really round out our guest list.
Oh putain, il faut encore du... Bon bah on va attendre lui.
There's a full-on gang war happening in the warehouse district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
The Red Ring's closing in on this biker gang.
Oh, that's actually the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Le nom du cercle rouge à la résistance améliorée, nom de code Malabar. Ah, l'alien bizarre là, c'était il s'appelle Malabar. Mais c'est nul ton nom. Trouve-toi un autre. Ok.
I have expressed my disappointment. He seemed remorseful. There were many tears. From us both.
Ok. Faire preuve d'intelligence. Ok, vous deviez y aller. Appelle un ami. Voilà, comme ça marche.
Malevola feels like you're our best shot.
You are right on, mate. If there is spooky shit going on, I will sniff it right out.
Parfait. Ok. On va mettre fin au repos de lui. Hop.
What's it gonna be this time?
Ok, vas-y. Ok, ça
You guys
passe.
hear Vandus thinking his wife got divorced?
Sure did. My entire portfolio is
I knew the vibes were off this morning, but I couldn't tell if it was divorce vibes or commute traffic vibes.
Hey, maybe she's not going to hell after all.
Marrying someone can send you to hell.
Yeah, but only if you marry a billionaire.
Ok. Alors, ça repose 10 secondes de plus, il ne peut pas voler, mais il n'est plus dépressif. Sous médoc. Oh là là. Attends, laissez-moi 2 secondes. Bannir. Hop là. Les zéros envoyés avec Phénomène voient leur temps de repos réduit de moitié s'ils terminent la mission avec eux. Ok. Ouais. Motivation phénoménale. Qui heureux toi. Ouais, plus de mobilité. Hop. Ok.
The faction of light needs your help to overtake the faction of darkness.
Jouer le rôle du héros de la prophétie.
The park closes.
What the f is a LARP?
It stands for live action role play, but it's not a sex thing. Okay, it's like people dressing up and playing pretend type shit.
Still sounds like a sex thing.
Alors, ok.
The Yachties have taken over the mayor's after party. They're holding everyone hostage on their yacht.
Ouh. Ok, très bien. On va gérer tout ça, laissez-moi 2 secondes. Oula.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting assistance. His line of delivery bots appear to have gained sentience and are attacking the city.
Mais il fait que de la merde ce Vanderstank, hein. Franchement, arrêtez-le, hein. Ok.
Or am I really f***ing good at this?
Très bien.
Everybody should step back.
Ouais, gagne en vigueur. Hop. Alors, jouer le rôle. Ouais, que toi.
That's a good band name.
Ouais, vous
What
deux.
a phenomenal duo we make.
Not interested.
Strangely, that's not the first time I've heard that.
Ok. Allez, vous deux.
My old doctor used to be over here. Technically, he's a veterinarian, but I got the physiognomy of a pygmy hippo, so we made a fine pair.
Robbery downtown. Suspect is in pursuit, but we need SDN to defrost the bank.
Ça c'est une vraie question. Roublard, barbare, barde, chevalier. Ah, c'est chevalier, j'imagine, mais... Enfin, barde, ça pourrait passer, hein. Je choisis barde. Ouais, je le sentais.
I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
Bien joué. Alors, Alors,
Might take a
briser la
while.
glace.
You could try chipping away at the ice.
Utiliser ces points ou ce qu'il faudra pour briser la glace. Attention à ne pas blesser des civils.
Opportunity for Flambe to burn and he ain't even here.
Ah, ok, ouais, ok. Et elle a complètement raison d'ailleurs. Le seul moment où on a vraiment besoin de lui, il est pas là. Grosse merde.
Wow. Keep it up.
Bien joué les gars. Ok, alors. Plus de combats. C'est bon, hein. Allez, hop. Voilà. L'esprit du scénario sera doublé, d'accord. Bien joué, ok, on commence à avoir des gens avec du talent là. On a trop de charisme. Hop là. Ok.
Bring your kid to work day, and I thought he could try using the forklift.
Ah le con. Fait tomber une cargaison, on peut récupérer ce qu'on peut la cargaison avant que ne soit détrompé. Ok.
We win or we lose together.
Oh,
There's some
putain.
activity down in the sewers. My tenants are getting uneasy. Can you folks look into it?
Vanderstank wants them destroyed, but I think there's a way to reprogram them.
For sure.
Attraper. Ouais, mais si je donne quelqu'un en plus. Ok, bon, vas-y, essaye. Non, ta gueule. On va attendre Courpif pour ça. Il faudrait. Ouais, et avec un Visimeuf quand elle sera là. Et ici, inspection des égouts, on va attendre les autres. Ok, alors, ce qu'on fait, c'est toi et toi.
Together, the two of us will be unstoppable.
Bet you say that to everybody. Do you think you can give me a lift, Mecha Man?
Nope.
Plat. Ah oui, c'est vrai qu'elle peut faire ça, elle. J'avais complètement oublié. Vous y allez. Hop. Et l'inspection des égouts. On peut faire un... c'est le talent, ça. Bon, là, il va rater.
I thought you said you had it.
No, that was me.
Night, everyone. I'm pretty beat. I'll see your dumb ass in the morning.
I've got the booze. Folks down for a carpool? I got room.
I'm good. I'll fly over in a bit.
I will be happy to assist in transport if someone wished to fly over in my arms.
Oh, il est triste, le pauvre. Bébou phénoménal. Le pauvre. Alors, hop là. Ouais. Quoi, il fallait de l'intelligence pour ça? C'est juste frapper dans de la glace, c'est bon. Déjà, si tu essaies de frapper de la glace, t'es pas très intelligent.
My might is your might. Améliorer totalement héros. Il y a tout un peuple taupe qui vit sous Torrance. Quoi? À établir des relations diplomatiques. Oh la vache. Putain. Ok, bien. Eh, on est amis avec des taupes. Génial. Ah, ils travaillent bien ensemble. Ok. Bon bah on les mettra ensemble plus souvent du coup. Hop. Ok. Super. You are too late, Sonic. I am now fully certified. Oh my. Pardon. Ça juste fait penser à ce même. Let's go. Ça a l'air en révision. Connard, paye-moi le SMIC au moins. Ouais, ça va être chaud là.
I mean, you know, it feels like for the first time in a long time, I can see a life without Mecha Man. You know, which I'm sure you would appreciate.
Ouais, t'as l'air...
Been nice that we get to spend more time together, right? The Z team might f*** up for a while, but at some point, they're gonna get good. And when that happens, they'll make a bigger impact.
T'as l'air bien heureux de plus pouvoir être Mecha Man.
Just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud, then I get all f***ed up.
You know what I'm saying, Beef? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Putain, c'est vraiment une saucisse sur pattes son chien.
This is why I appreciate her talks.
Oula. Oh, okay.
Are you decent?
Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
Yeah, I told him that the last time I came. Somehow it looked worse.
I am in my underwear.
I can see you. I was joking when I asked if you're decent.
I know. I just need you to know that I know how I look right now.
That rubs out by the wig. You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
I think he's only considered where he'd hang himself. That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert. They told people to bring a lamp or something.
Wait, people? More people are coming here? To my home. Look, I'm not really in a party mood right now.
Know what it looks like to me with your tidy whities.
Okay, she just touched my...
This is your family photo area? Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Quoi? Pardon?
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. the man can be Mecca again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this feeling like I'd seen it before.
Then Vizzy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope. And a bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. Think it was destroyed. But he's on smart girl, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We track its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that back, and you'll be pulsing or whatever in no time.
Regardless of how this plays out. Thank you, both of you. I'm just, I can't remember the last time someone did something so...
Ow! Putain!
What is wrong with you?
Just get gushy after we find the
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina del Rey. Which is?
Oh, Yachty territory.
Why, she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot wearing bookheads. Skylar Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of
On l'a vu, hein? On a vu le
First,
regard.
I've gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Oh, ouais. Non. Touche pas le pénisseau d'un homme. Ouais, close-up sur sa bite. Super. Ils ont tous ramené les jambes, les enculés. Ok, ça c'est plutôt marrant. Hey! T'as mal au dos, vieux? Par trop sous ça. Dis-moi, Chase, est-ce que tu as ce qu'on appelle la ménopause? J'ai entendu dire que souvent les vieux en ont. Oh! Oh. Ça c'est mon soirée. Je suis contre le mur et je fais la petite danse du mec gêné. Hey. On s'ambiance ou pas? Le vieux là, c'est bon là, calme-toi. Je baisse qui je veux. Pute.
You do understand how projectors work, right?
Felt more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
Ça dû être moi. Robert, je t'aime depuis toujours, Robert. Depuis que tu avais 5 ans. Wow. Chaise en zonzon.
That's more than you need a f***ing army.
I'll go.
No.
Can't shoot what you can't see.
No.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a f***ing kaiju.
Bunch of drunk Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that. We take the day to plan it with downtown and hit the warehouse tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? This thing's not gonna sit still for that long. If we don't grab it, someone else will.
This is incredible, Viz, but Laser's right. We make a plan. No need to rush this.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall, Grandpa? Heroes are talking.
You are no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisible, and you had it right.
Chase, you're drunk. You need to stop talking.
You want to get people hurt, get people killed, then you need to go back to the team where you belong.
Chase, that's enough.
This is crazy.
She thinks she's like you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with no powers, putting his life on the line to make up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero. You playing them, you playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
You don't know anything about me.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know? There. Now I know you're a coward.
Oh, elle était sûre. Elle était putain de sûre.
Oh my god. Vizzy, wait!
That was a nice uppercut. That sent his ass airborne. How are you not dead?
Chase, are you alright?
That's enough for tonight. I'm sorry this turned into... whatever just happened. Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight answers to me. Got it?
Tu voulais leur proposer des shit, tu voulais
Years
leur
ago.
proposer des...
Yeah. So, I might have to do that once a month or so as a release of my hatred for you.
Ah, le
But
timing!
perhaps with some time, you'll be less of a bitch to me. Yeah, we'll see.
En vrai, dans un autre métro, j'aurais choisi les shots.
Your place fucking sucks.
Ah putain, il a vraiment choisi le meilleur timing, l'enculé. Eh merde.
Oh, are you in timeout? 'Cause you were bad. Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that.
You!
Hey, he said he was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Okay, let's just...
Bah visiblement c'est toi qui te fais baiser hein.
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths. Kinky shit. It's that internet somehow made sex boring.
Okay, now you sound how you look.
Another thing I can't do anymore. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase. I hadn't thought about that.
I had a pretty good run. You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people. Put it all on the line for someone who won't ever know your name, won't send you a thank you card, won't be at your bedside when you get hurt.
I don't know. It's how I'm wired, I guess.
And here you are trying to rewire a bunch of criminals.
That first week, Vizzy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like it was fated. So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, it's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard. Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
You were always good. that was always in you. It's what makes us different from a thief like her.
Oh, come on. You've stolen things too.
What? You racist motherfucker. I never stole a thing in my entire life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there if you just listen to the wind.
J'allais faire une blague, mais... mais des
I
couches.
see why you and Beef get along.
Oh, where's my guy? Oh, I'm sorry, my poor boy. That's it. There's my boy. There's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
Is there a mic on this? Hey! Hey, can you hear me? The f you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid pulse that's somewhere on this big boat. This one must have dropped a pin in the supervillain group chat, because this place is crawling with dip. Good news is, they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Je pense que c'est la rave partie la plus calme que j'ai
You're
jamais vue.
disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some to talk, but I'm here, and this is our last chance of getting this thing.
Okay, maybe if I can hack into the system, I can trace the energy signal. Check the manifest.
Something would be great. Yeah, let's start with something.
I got you, girl. I got you, baby girl. C'est un peu simple. Voilà. Ça c'est mieux.
Need a password.
Ah. Oh. Oh, droite. Oh, droite. Oh, rire de droite. Juste à côté.
Okay. Hey, I'm getting a huge energy reading coming from the captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
The biggest one. It's at the top.
Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this.
I get it, okay. Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for a visit. Looks like she might know something we don't.
They're on to me.
Oh, hey, there's a door to your left.
It's locked. Feel free to take your time. Just catching up with some old friends.
Ok, bon bah je prends mon temps. Non, oh, ça va vite là.
Almost got it.
Mot de passe, ok.
I think I can use this.
Hurry up.
Ok. Ok. Je fais peut-être de la merde. Droite, droite, haut, droite. Gauche, gauche. Gauche, gauche, haut, droite. Il s'appelle Pierre Fouettard. C'est nul comme nom. Putain, quelqu'un doit leur donner des vrais noms, hein, ces méchants là, c'est terrible.
Okay, hey, Busy, lead him towards that speaker tower.
Pas bon, tu vas me dire dans Batman, il y a un mec qui s'appelle le Pingouin, le Joker, notamment le blagueur.
Follow me, Feather. I got something real cool to show you. At the tower. Do your thing.
Working on it.
Work faster.
C'est bon, hein. Me presse pas, hein, ça va me stresser. Je suis sensible comme mec. Hein. Je suis pas un de ces mecs que tu peux juste voir un soir et c'est fini. Hein.
Busy, cover your ears.
Le pigeon quand il voit une fenêtre.
Me, how am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
Huh?
Transition.
God, why does the crane have the hardest controls?
Okay.
Just passing through. Me, they're minding me.
Oh merde.
Still got it.
Ok. Ok. Ok, je me suis fait baiser. Je me suis fait baiser. Ok, 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 ok. Ok, bon là c'est bon. Du coup le mot de passe. Gauche, 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 droite. Gauche, gauche. Gauche, droite.
Now the crane. Heads up, lights here. The captain's quarters should be right in front of you.
Tell us where the pulse is, invisible, before we go full Pompeii on your.
Full Pompeii on my ass? What kind of threat is that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
Wait, no. That was predictable.
Oui. Ah ouais, ça va les retenir, c'est pas comme s'ils avaient détruit une porte juste avant.
It's in the safe.
The safe? I don't know how to open a f***ing safe.
Alright, let me see what I can do.
On va voir s'il y a un post-it.
I'd say this was excessive, but...
Just hurry up! They're almost through the door!
Oh putain! Oh merde! Oh, mon dieu, c'est Pac-Man là! Oh oh! Putain de Pac-Man, c'est putain de Pac... Rond comme un ballon! Et puis je ne casse citron, c'est du Pac-Man! Pac-Man! Il brûle, il bouge, il est malin. C'est une petite boule qui n'a peur de rien. Plus haut qu'un soleil, c'est le ciel, il est Pac-Man, Pac-Man. J'ai oublié le reste de la chanson et j'ai pas le temps de chanter. C'est du Pac-Man, Pac-Man. Oh, 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 oh. Heureusement que j'ai joué à Helldiver avant.
Alright.
Safe's open. Is it in there?
I don't know. Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what? I guess it does. Okay.
So now all you gotta do is sneak past the...
Why did stop? Holy shit. Are they? Robert, what's going on?
I'm here. Just hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just take one step at a time.
Peut-être appelle l'équipe, je sais pas, genre t'as pas leur numéro de téléphone? Ouh, il va se passer un...
Visigow,
oh
stop! No. Hey, Busy, stay calm. Your inhaler...
Few feet in front of you, okay? You gotta get to it.
Hey, Busy, he's just gonna keep with you, but you don't give up, okay? Busy, you gotta fight. Please. Busy, hey, listen to me. You get up. Get up!
Keep up.
No!
Oh, merde.
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Oh le drama.
Keys.
Hey, we got this. No, distance, please. Please, Chase. Please.
Et c'est là où on va se laisser. Écoutez, on peut pas continuer. Suite la semaine prochaine. Pas de deadlock après ça. Je dois me coucher tôt. J'étais. Il s'est passé du drama. Pour résumer ce qui s'est passé, truc de dingue. Donc, bon, c'était un peu prévisible, mais. Du coup, Invisigal a bien récupéré le cœur machin pour Mekaman. Et il y avait le gros ennemi Shroud. J'arrive pile à la fin. Oui, t'arrives pile à la fin, oui. Bonsoir, Ibai. Bon, on va faire Iris. Pour faire simple, Invisigal se fait casser la gueule par Shroud qui est venu pour récupérer le cœur de Mekaman. Parce qu'apparemment il l'avait toujours pas. Et elle était en train de crever parce qu'il a balancé un genre de gaz, etc. Elle pouvait plus bouger, elle était assommée, machin. Et donc, elle est crevée. On a perdu le cœur. Shroud s'est cassé. Et pour la sauver, Chase a réutilisé ses pouvoirs. Donc il est allé à nouveau super vite, etc. Et il a pu sauver Invisigal. Le seul problème, c'est que du coup il est mort parce qu'il était pas trop vieux. Donc il est probablement mort de vieillesse à cause de ses pouvoirs. Voilà, c'était la fin de l'épisode. Ok. Oui, bon ça c'est bugué apparemment, donc c'est pour ça que ça marche pas. Contractez vos muscles, let's go. Oh, il y a avec le peuple taupe. 28% de joueurs avec vous avaient joué en tant que barde, ok. Et de 1%, ça doit être bugué, c'était pas 1% cette fois-ci. Et voilà, épisode 5 et 6 du coup. Prochain choix, prochain épisode du coup. L'épisode du changement. Non, changement c'était cet épisode. Et donc, rétrospective et synergie pour mercredi prochain. Du coup, cette fois, on essaiera de faire en sorte que ce soit mercredi. Pour ce qui est du reste de la semaine, mon planning, c'est pas encore décidé vraiment. Mais peut-être un live ce week-end, je dois regarder. Je dois voir, on verra sur quel jeu ce sera. Probablement un jeu multijoueur, on va essayer de faire ça avec des amis à moi, ça va être fun. Ça va être très très fun. Bref. J'espère que ce soir vous a plu. Moi ça m'a beaucoup plu, j'aime beaucoup le jeu, franchement. Ça me plaît beaucoup d'y jouer, ça me fait plaisir de pouvoir partager ça avec vous. Non, tu sais quoi, on va checker les... On fait le petit rituel, on check les clips avant de partir. Et puis... Et tu sais quoi, c'est là où je vais couper l'enregistrement de la VOD. J'arrête pas de roter là. Wow. Problème gastrique. C'est là où je vais couper la VOD. Comme ça, si vous voulez voir les clips, vous avez qu'à aller sur ma chaîne Twitch. A plus YouTube.